Hello students, class 5th, subject computer. Today I am taking our revision objective type questions. So use its memory to store the data information. So we can say computer use its memory or to store data and information. RAM stands for, so we know very well, random access memory. Random access memory is the full form RAM. ROM stands for, so we can say read only memory. Okay, only read only memory is the full form of ROM. Which type of memory is the external memory provided with the help of other storage devices which store the information and data in it, also called permanent memory. So we can say secondary type of memory is the external memory provided with the help of other storage devices which store information and data in it, also called permanent memory. Next question is, which is the non-volatile memory device that permanently store information that is fixed inside the CPU? So we can say hard disk is a non-volatile memory device that permanently store information and is fixed inside the CPU. Which is the portable disk that can use for transferring data and program from one computer to another computer? So we can use CD and DVD. Okay, CD and DVD is a portable disk that can use for transferring data and program from one computer to another computer. Next question is, which type of disk is digital optical disk data storage format? So we can say Blu-ray. Okay, Blu-ray type of disk is a digital optical disk data storage format, which is also called flash drive and portable device used for transmitting data and program from a computer to another computer. We can use pen drive. Pen drive is also called flash drive and portable device used for transferring data and program from one computer to another computer. Which card is a solid state electronic flash memory data storage device and used with digital cameras, handheld and mobile computers, telephone, music player, video games, console, etc. Video games. Okay, this is video game, console, etc. So we can say memory card. Memory card is a solid state electronic flash memory data storage device used with digital cameras, handheld and mobile computers, telephone, music player, video games, console, etc. Memory card. Smallest storage unit of memory is called a, we can say, bit. Bit is a smallest storage unit. Okay, a combination of 4 bits makes a nibble. Okay, a combination of 4 bits makes a nibble. A combination of 8 bits makes a byte. Okay, a combination of 8 bits makes a byte. The device that gives data instruction to computer is called input device. Okay, input device is used to give data instruction to the computer. Who is responsible processing data fed by the user? CPU is the responsible for processing the data fed by the user, which perform all the calculation and carries out the instruction of a computer program, perform basic arithmetic and logical operations. So we can say ALU perform all the calculation and carries out the instructions of the computer program, perform the basic arithmetic and logical operations. So ALU. The device that give the result after processing of data is called, we can say, output device. It is used to give the result after processing of data. The first screen that appears when we start switch on our computer containing number of small graphical picture representing items is called as file is called a desktop. Okay, so desktop is our first screen that appears when we start switch on our computer containing the number of graphical pictures representing items such as files is called a desktop. Which button is presented at the bottom left corner of the taskbar? Start button. Start button is present at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. Right side of the taskbar is called notification area. Right side of the taskbar is called notification area, which has a clock and number of icons. Which button is present on the extreme right side of the taskbar? We can say desktop button is present on the extreme right side of the taskbar. Is a container which can hold another subfolder or files? We can say folder is a container which can hold another subfolder or file. So we can say folder is a container. Which is an application that provides detailed information about files, folder and drives and allow us to manage and organize our files and folder? We can say Windows Explorer is an application that provide detailed information about files, folder and drive, allow us to manage and organize our file and folders. Now, a copying, okay, copying a file and folder means to create a duplicate copy, okay, to create a duplicate copy of all selected file and folders. So you can say star and question mark, okay, star and question mark we can use two wildcard character used for searching, okay, we can direct search, micro searching, we can find any kind of data, our files and folder using star and question mark. So this symbol is important for wildcard character for searching. Which refers to the horizontal positioning of text in a document relative margin, we can say alignment. Alignment refers to the horizontal positioning of text in the document relative margin. Left aligned is a default setting when you create a document, okay, left aligned is a default setting when you create a new document. Right aligned setting is also called right justified, but is technically known as flash right, okay, right aligned setting is also called right justified, but technically is called flash right. Centered text is often used for writing document titles and headings, okay, centered text is often used for writing document titles and heading. Justified text combines left and right alignment text, okay, justified text combine left and right aligned text. Bullets and numbering are used to emphasize list of things and make it easier to read and follow. They help in presenting the data in organized manner. So we can use bullet and numbering, so present data in organized manner. Numbered list is the one which has list in a proper sequence and default numbering 1, 2, 3. Okay, numbered list is one which has list items in proper sequence and default numbering we can say 1, 2, 3. A nested list refers to a list within a list. A nested list refers to a list within a list. A special character is not found on a standard English keyboard. Okay, a special character is not found on a standard English keyboard. By pressing the shift key and the number key together, you can insert the accented letters in a document. Okay, by pressing the shift key and the number key together, you can insert the accented letter in the document. Headers are the portion of a document that always appear at the top of the page. Headers are the portion of a document that always appear at the top of the page. By which refers to changing the appearance of text in a document. We can say formatting refers to the changing the appearance of text in a document. Which are the great ways to quickly and easily manage how to entire document headers, titles and text will appear. So we can say style are the great ways to quickly and easily manage how to entire document headers, titles and text will appear. Okay, Control B. Okay, Control B shortcut makes the selected text bold. Control I. Okay, Control I shortcut makes the selected text italic. Control U shortcut underline or remove underlining from the selected text. Superscript reduce the font size of selected text and raise the text above the baseline. Okay, superscript reduce the font size of selected text and raise the text above the baseline. Which reduce the font size of selected text and raises the text below the baseline. We can use subscript reduce the font size of selected text and raise the text below the baseline. Which tool is used to copying formatting from text selection in writer or from an object and apply the formatting to another text selection or object? We can use format paintbrush. Tool is used to copying formatting from a text selection in writer or from an object applying the formatting to another text selection or object. Computer use British dictionary by default. Computer use British dictionary by default. All incorrect spelling are under by wavy red color line. Okay, all incorrect spelling are underlined by wavy red color line. Font work for graphical text art is used to create 2D and 3D graphic text art object. Okay, font work for graphical text art is used to create 2D and 3D graphic objects. Which is a storehouse of picture? Gallery is the storehouse of picture. which is a malicious software program to steal sensitive and confidential data from any computer over the internet. We can say malware is the malicious software program to steal sensitive and confidential data from any computer over the internet. A firewall acts as a security guard. Okay, firewall acts as a security guard. Which type of software helps to protect the computer from any unauthorized software that can threat to the computer system? We can say antivirus type of software helps to protect the computer from any unauthorized software can be threat to computer system. Antivirus. What are the programs that spread over the internet using email, malicious web page and can damage, delete or infect the files over the computer system? Virus. Okay, virus always damage, delete or infect the file. Which is software that can track whatever work you do both on computer on the internet and send information about the hackers? So spyware, okay, is the software that track whatever work we do both on computer on the internet and send information about the hackers. Which type of password is extremely important in maintaining system security? We can say secure and strong type of password is extremely important in maintaining and system security. Which involve respecting others? Net etiquette. Netiquette involves respecting others. Footers appears at the bottom of page. Okay, footers appear at the bottom of the page. Grammatical error are underlined by green lines. Okay, grammatical error are underlined by green line. Part of file name given after a dot is called a extension. Part of the file name after the dot is called an extension. Select the correct input device name. So we can use scanner. Okay, scanner is the correct input device name. Select the correct output device name. We can use printer is the correct output device name. Control S shortcut key is used to save our file. Okay students, thank you so much. So this is our class 5 computer revision object type questions. Thank you so much.